Hi, this is Shannon with Blissful Honeymoons and Destination Weddings and Travel by Blissful. Today I am at Iberostar Cancun and Iberostar Coral Level, and we're just going to take a tour through Iberostar Cancun. I wanted to start out, we're just looking at the beach here. This is one section of the beach, and there's a nice space I blogged about in another video for a private event. But let's just walk up here. This is kind of the center point for Iberostar Cancun we are looking at, and in these tinted windows back here there's like 4 different restaurants. The lobby is like an atrium. We'll walk through that in a little bit, and then over here is the buffet for breakfast. And then straight ahead is Coral Level, and that's its own little small resort connected to this one, and that is adults only. It has its own pool over there and beach and some restaurants. If you want to know more about that, check out our other blogs or contact us at blissfulhoneymoons.com. And let's just keep walking. Beautiful morning. It's about 8:30 in the morning in, what month is this? Hello, October. Okay, and so this, the all ages side, has a huge pool. The adults only side is just a smaller pool. Also has its own swim-up bar as well. The Mexican restaurant is right here, and great place to go at night. Lots of fun and really good good food. And then in there again is the buffet. Room categories, that's a whole different section or blog you'll want to check out, but I'll just give you a sense of what the rooms kind of look like. Some of them have balconies, some of them do not, so very important to talk to us about that. We're gonna go down here and look at the beach at the all ages side. And I have zero reason for being out of breath, friends. Let's just say too many margaritas yesterday and a year and a half off of pandemic non-exercise, right? Feels good to be back out here though, walking the beach in the breeze. And here we go. This is the all ages resort beach. So you have lots of seating and shaded seating, lifeguard for little ones. If you need that, the waves here can be a little high. It's red flag right now. So if you have little ones, that's kind of a note. You definitely want to be out there with them, but if you're a decent swimmer, or I was out there and I'm not a great swimmer, and I had fun jumping the waves yesterday. Anyway, let's focus back here. You have your beach bar, and this is an infinity pool. This is actually really neat. You can't get the full aspect of it from the ground looking up at it, but when you're in the pool looking out, super cool. Because it looks like the pool, I'm gonna walk past, the pool and the ocean meet. All right, let me go up here. We're gonna walk around the other side here so we can get a full view. Now, this resort is in the heart of the Cancun hotel zone, but you would never know it. It's actually a pretty decent sized resort and feels completely isolated from all the hustle and fun bustle of Cancun. Alright, these little pool islands are fun, and here's what I wanted to show you. So you can see a really fun day you could spend in the pool, swim up bar, very popular spot, as you can imagine. These are like fountains that they spray when everything kind of gets going during the day. And then these have fountains that crisscross, I guess would be the best way to explain. And so it makes like a bridge of water. Super fun. I think more adults were playing in that than kids yesterday, I noticed. I was certainly playing it myself. So, but neat little hangout spots, accessible points if you need that as well. And then, of course, they have activities out here during the day. And then we're going to take a look at kids section. Little pirate ship. Very cute. Splash pad. Ahoy. And they're doing maintenance on this right now. I think this is just a family pool area. So this was all gated off and closed for repairs last night. Looks like they're still filling it. But really cool views when you just look straight down. All right, we're gonna walk up here. Might as well do the whole thing, right? If you're sticking with me this long, might as well stick with me as we go to the lobby. And we'll check out the atrium. They do have a kids club here. And I seem to be taking the long way around, but that'll give us a chance to look at the theater from a distance. All right, so if you follow this, like, there's a bridge here, and underneath is a walking path. It goes to this really big indoor theater where they have a really cool stage show. Last night's show was incredible. I think due to pandemic, wasn't a lot of people in there. I felt kind of sad. The entertainment was really good. It was a live, sounded like rock band, and they had a really cool light show. So I definitely recommend checking out the shows. Here we go. Here's another area if you want more of a private setting for a wedding. I'll turn around and look at it in full in just a second here. Check out my other blogs for wedding locations for this property. But just a quick note. And then over here to the left are shops, retail stores. Let's go in this way because there's a really cute coffee shop. I'm gonna put my mask on here. These are really neat. Okay, and finally, we're just gonna go quick look at the atrium. And this is Iberostar Cancun, all ages side. So if you're staying here, this is where you would come to check in. Okay, and then one last thing. You'll find these everywhere throughout the hotel. You can also download the app to get the same information, but it'll have the activities, restaurants, all kinds of information boards for both hotels for tours. All right, and there you have it. Thanks for taking a walk with me through Iberostar Cancun and Iberostar Core Level. You'll have to watch our other blogs if you want to see that in detail. I'm going to stop walking so I can talk. If you'd like to know more about your vacation, wedding, honeymoon, corporate leisure group, you'll want to contact us at blissfulhoneymoons.com or travelbyblissful.com, and we'll look forward to getting you here.